Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to explore some quick and easy egg recipes that can help you maintain a balanced diet. So, let's dive right in. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways. Here are some delicious egg recipes that you can whip up in no time. 1. Egg salad sandwich. This classic sandwich is a perfect way to enjoy eggs on the go. Simply hard-boil some eggs, chop them up, and mix them with mayonnaise, mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Spread the mixture on some bread, and you've got a tasty egg salad sandwich. 2. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are a quick and easy breakfast option. Simply whisk together some eggs, season with salt and pepper, and cook them in a pan until they're fluffy and golden. Serve them with some toast or a side of fruit for a balanced meal. 3. Omelette. An omelette is a great way to enjoy eggs and veggies in one dish. Sauté some veggies in a pan, then add some eggs and cook until they're set. Fold the omelette in half and serve with some whole grain toast. 4. Deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are a fun and flavorful way to enjoy eggs. Hard-boil some eggs, peel them, and slice them in half. Remove the yolks and mix them with mayonnaise, mustard, and a touch of vinegar. Spoon the mixture back into the egg whites and sprinkle with paprika. 5. Eggs Benedict. Eggs Benedict is a classic brunch dish that's perfect for a special occasion. Poach some eggs and place them on top of some toasted English muffins. Top with some hollandaise sauce and enjoy. Remember, eggs are a fantastic addition to a balanced diet, but it's important to eat them in moderation. A balanced diet should include a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. That's it for today's quick and easy egg recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some new ideas for incorporating eggs into your meals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!